Hello everybody, and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash, and today we're going to be taking a look at Matic and discuss what's happening with it. Before we get into that, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FX's Crypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with a zero at the end. Let's get into Dogecoin pretty quickly. I'm sorry, I think I mentioned Matic. My bad, I meant Dogecoin. So let's take a look at Dogecoin. As discussed in a lot of my other videos, things are pretty simple here for Dogecoin. You go to a 3-day time frame, look at the log of the chart. You can see that the price has been staying below this declining resistance level since May 2021, which was roughly more than 511 days. So once the price does break out above that level, you can expect a flurry of buying pressure that pushes it higher, right? But from a short-term perspective, you can see that on a 4-hour time frame, the price could manage to, if we manage to flip this immediate resistance level here, extending from 0.064 to 0.065, then there's a pretty good chance the price could briefly break above this level, before above the declining trend line, and sweep the equal highs formed at 0.089 or roughly 0.09. I think that's what I'm targeting here, and my entry for Dogecoin is around 0.058, and I still haven't closed my position. I'm still in this one. So let's see how things kind of go from here, right? The worst case scenario would include Dogecoin price breaking below this support floor here, extending from or roughly around 0.058. Like if it does break down, then Doge could form another lower low relative to these two lows formed here on 7th and 19th September. But I don't see that happening. Like there might be a move down into my entry point here at 0.58, 0.589. But honestly, I don't see it going way beyond this, mainly because of the presence of this daily demand zone here, right? So I'm expecting Dogecoin to kind of sustain here, and I've already mentioned it, right? I think I mentioned it when when Dogecoin price was on September 18th below this support area. But I mentioned that if the price does manage to recover above this level here, it's going to consolidate between these two levels for quite some time. But when it does break out, it's going to be an explosive breakout, because if it does manage to flip this level, declining trend line into support floor, it will be a spectacular sight to behold, which is why I've already mentioned on my Twitter that I am looking at Dogecoin and XRP, Dogecoin and Cardano as like the next coins to rally like XRP did. So that is pretty much my take on Dogecoin. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.